in this video, we will be discussing trick 2 of the Vedic math videos. So this trick is the one series multiplication trick. So what is one series multiplication? So right now I'm just going to open a cool PDF editor. Well, yeah, PDF editor. It's called commuapp.com. If you want to try it out, I have the link in the description. So, basically, one series multiplication, right? So, if we have 529 times 1, 1, then we can look at this. It says, the first thing to do is add a 0 at the start and beginning of the number, and you have to count the digits in the one series. So, basically, let's add a 0. And now you have to skip count by the number of digits of the one series there is. So there are 2 digits of the one series because 11 is 2 digits. And then what you have to do is just say that 9 plus 0 equals 9, and then say that 2 plus 9 equals 1 extra. 5 plus 2 equals 7, 1 extra. Well, you don't get it 1 extra, you have to add a 1 extra. So then that's 8. And then you have 0 plus 5, which equals 5. So that's 5, 8, 1, 9. So let's see what it says next. Then add the number of digits by skip counting. So that's what we did, like the 9 plus 0, 2 plus 9, and that stuff. This might be confusing, but I have no other way to explain it in text. But if we do this on our example, we would drop down the 9, and then we would add 2 plus 9, which equals 11, then 5 plus 2, which equals 7, and drop down the 5, and then our answer is 5, 8, 1, 9. Then that's your result. If you don't understand, I have no other way to explain it on text. So, basically, instead of doing all of those steps, what I do is let me just erase this. Okay, so that's 529 times 11, right? So what I do is drop down 9, and then I add 2 digits because 11 is 2 digits, and then 2 plus 9 equals 1 extra, 5 plus 2 equals 7, 8, and then we have 5 drop down, 5, 8, 1, 9. So now let's try the other example here. Let me just delete. And then we have 963 times 11. So we have 11 again, so let me just write this down. 963 times 11. So we have 3 drop down. 6 plus 3 equals 9. 6 plus 9 equals 5. 1 extra. 9 plus 0 equals 9, but then 1 extra, 10. So yeah, that's our answer for 963 times 11, and yeah. So now guys, I'm going to write down some problems, and I'll actually fast forward this part, and yeah, see you then. Alright, so I wrote down all the problems, and let's start solving. So if you do want a little more time, you can pause the video, or you can actually just have 20 more seconds over here. Okay, 20 seconds is over. Let's start solving. So what we would do here is, this is a 9, if it looks like 4, sorry. So 6, drop down, 9 plus 6, 5, 1 extra. This is 3, remember? So 8 plus 9 plus 6. So that would be 8 plus 9, which equals 17. 17 plus 1, because we need a plus 1 because 9 plus 6 has a borrow. So then that would be 18. 18 plus 6 equals 24. So we have 4, and then we have 2 extra. And so 2 extra would mean that 5 plus 8 is 13. 13 plus 9 equals 22. And 22 plus 2 equals 24. So that's 24. So now we have this thing. So this problem is basically just doing 8, drop down, 0, 1 extra, 9, 5, and then we have 1 extra, so that's 9, drop down, 10. So now we have 3 digits of this, so that's basically 2, drop down, 8, and then we have to add the 3 digits, so it's 8, 9, 8 plus 6, which equals 14. 14 plus 2 equals the thing, 16. 6, 1 extra, and then 10, 18, 18 plus 1, which equals 19, 1 extra. And then we have 12 plus 1 extra, so that's 3, 1 extra, and we have 5. 5, 3, 9, 6, 8, 2. And then we have to do 5 digits, which is going to be pretty hard. I'm not sure. Okay, so 4 drop down. This equals 6. 2, 1 extra. So then, alright, so that's 6, 1 extra. And then we have 4, 5, 1 extra. And then we have to start from, so we did this much. Now we have to do this much. So then that's basically 8. So that's 8, 8 plus, so that's 8 plus 3, which equals 1, 1 extra, 1 extra. And then we have 1 extra, right? So we will just do 1 extra. And then we have 2 plus this thing, so that's 0, 1 extra. And that's 0, 1 extra again. And so now I have to do 6 plus 3, which equals 9. 9, so 9. Oh God. So we have 9, 7, 1 extra, which equals 18. So that's 18 plus this thing, which equals 27. 7, 2 extra. So then that's 22. So we have 2 extra. So then this would be 17, 19. So this is a big answer, but I'm just going to circle that so it looks. Okay, so now it's going to be easy for this one because we're only doing times 11. So that's 5, 9, 7, 5, and then we have to do 1 extra, 6, 1 extra, and then we have 1 extra, 6, well we have 7 because of the 1 extra, and we have 5, 1 extra, 3, 1 extra, 1 extra, and then 7. So this would be our answer. 7, 1, 3, 1, 5, 7, 1, 6, 1, 9. It's just too big. I'm not going to say it out. So, this is the trick. And so, that was the end of the video. So, if you like this video, make sure to click the like button. And also, don't forget to subscribe. Well, if you really want to, you can also just answer this question over here. 80, 90, 90, let's see, 94 times 101. As well as 363 times 101. Well, this is not important in this video. If you really want to, you can send the answers in the comment section below, but make sure not to use a calculator because that's called cheating. But yeah, if you want to, you can solve these.